By the end of this video, you will understand how Jupiter's extreme auroras act as a massive chemical factory, completely rewriting the planet's weather. First, let's look at the sheer scale of the phenomenon. Jupiter's poles are dominated by permanent, glowing rings of energy. Let's distinguish this. This is not just a pretty light show. On Earth, auroras glow and fade. On Jupiter, they physically cook the atmosphere. The crucial concept here is ion-neutral chemistry. High-energy electrons from space act like hammers, smashing apart basic methane gas. Now these broken pieces recombine into heavy, complex soot. This alien smog then slowly sinks down into the stratosphere. This entire engine is powered by Jupiter's moon Io, which spits volcanic plasma directly into Jupiter's magnetic field. This magnetic connection is so strong, it creates electrojets, supersonic winds that actually flow backward against the planet's spin. Scientists map these invisible winds using ALMA and JWST, tracking the color shift of the light emitted by the swirling gas. You now understand the incredible mechanics of Jupiter's polar stratosphere. This knowledge empowers you to see planetary magnetic fields not just as shields, but as active engines of creation.